We're now operating in a truly integrated space economy. AI, sovereignty, supply chains, and space infrastructure are part of the same story. APSCC 2025 reflects that shift, from a communications industry to a broader space ecosystem. To set the stage, we're honored to welcome Ms. Pei-Li Chen, 产发署陈佩丽陈副署长, Deputy Director General, Industrial Development Administration, Ministry of Economic Affairs, to come on stage. 欢迎陈副署长。
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, members of APSCC. On behalf of Industrial Development Administration, Ministry of Economic Affairs, I am very glad to welcome all of you come to Taiwan. Welcome to Taiwan. I'm from the Industrial Promotion Agency, so my mission is to promote the development of Taiwan's manufacturing industry. So today I would like to, by this occasion, to introduce Taiwan's capabilities in the ICT industry as well as the satellite industry. I know many of our guests today are for your first time to come to Taiwan. So here I would like to provide some information for you to know more about my country. Taiwan is a small island. 70% of our land is covered by mountains. We don't have natural resources, but we have a group of people, hardworking people, to bring the efficiency, the innovation, and precision manufacturing to the industry. Comparing to our neighboring country, South Korea, they have 52 million people. Japan, they have 120 million people. In Taiwan, we only have 23 million people. However, our World Trade ranking right now is 18 in the world. It's about 870 billion US dollar. And according to IMD Global Competitiveness Ranking, Taiwan is number 6 in the world this year. And we are number 1 in IMD Global Competitiveness Ranking, with a population of more than 20 million people for 5 consecutive years. As you may know, Taiwan is good at semiconductors, and in terms of output of semiconductor, Taiwan ranked the world number 2 in the world, and just next to the United States. And being the global powerhouse of semiconductor production, it takes the lead in IC foundry and also IC packaging and testing worldwide, while ranking the 2nd in IC design next to the United States. With a complete supply chain in upstream, middle stream, and downstream, Taiwan's semiconductor industry enjoys a significant advantage as well as a well-established clusters. So over the past years, Taiwan's IC company, such as TSMC for the IC foundry, and ASE Spill for the OSAT, we provide professional services to major international IC design house, including AMD, Apple, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, and ST Micro from Europe, and also Infineon, and so on. And this slide shows our capability in the EMS, that is Electronic Manufacturing Services. Taiwan's ICT is also a driving force for worldwide technology innovation. Right now, Taiwan's EMS ranked #1 in the world. We have a world-leading electronic manufacturing ecosystem. We covering and provide a total solution from R&D to design, even to large-scale assembly, even to integration, system integration. You can see that at the left-hand side, you can see all the AI server, 90% is made by Taiwanese company, and the remaining 10% is made by the United States. However, the founder is also from Taiwan. On several ICT products like laptop, Wi-Fi router, industrial computer, and Leo PCB, the market share from 50 to 80s are made by Taiwanese company. So everybody knows that in US, there are significant 7, Google, Meta, Apple, and so on. And in Taiwan, we have our own version, that is 电子五哥, the big 5 electronics. They are Pegatron, Compo, Quanta, Inventec, Wistron, and these 5. And right now, the 5 brands already extend to 7, 8, even 10. Yeah, showing case that we are the most advancing one who can provide the EMS. One very important point is that all these electronics brothers, they keep their headquarters in Taiwan. They receive orders here, and of course they contribute tax to the government. And all of these brothers, they provide services to international brand and company like Meta, Dell, HP, Apple, and so on. So we welcome you utilize all this information. And if you have any question, just contact us. Let us know if you have any inquiry. And to meet all the needs from different customers, our production has spanned across Taiwan, Asia, to China, even Americas and Europe. Taiwan's ICT hardware industry is known for flexibility and ability to deliver customized production, while with decades experience in cost control, quality assurance, and delivery time. So Taiwan has become a long-term and trusted manufacturer partner for leading global brand name. And this slide shows our capability in the satellite industry. At the left-hand side, you can see we have many supply on mature products like baseband IC, RF components and module, antenna components, PCB, materials, power supply and cable or some router. And at the right-hand side, you can see that we are developing the next generation key products for those key components and modules like beamforming IC, phase array antenna, and user terminal or even communication payload. And also, Taiwan's company also input in the test and validation technology. So we welcome to cooperation to have cooperate with the satellites company so that we can have some joint collaboration in R&D, or most important that we welcome you to establish test and validation capability in Taiwan. So here I would like to introduce some example that has passed the field test and validation and also been adopted by some end products customers. The first one is the automotive sector. Taiwan's strong future, they have has developed the world's thinnest electronic glass-based aero antenna. Both the beamforming IC and the glass antenna are fully developed and manufactured in Taiwan. And the next one is in the maritime sector. The pirates, in Chinese, Fangxing, they developed one of the world's few mechanical antenna capable for automatically and seamless switching between high and low orbit satellite. This antenna has passed the maritime verification test and received order from one geo-satellite operator that is Pacific. And it has also been used in the Myanmar earthquake for emergency communication and in this year. So this is our capacity. And the right-hand side, you can see in the aviation sector, Taiwan's company Lengyan Team Tech has developed a large 48 by 48 electronic phase array antenna that can be operate in a extremely high altitude temperature and ranging from -50 Celsius to the highest temperature. And also with automatic seamless switching between LEO, MEO, GEO satellites. And this system has been already adopted by satellite companies in the US and Japan. As for our manufacturing capacity in Taiwan, smart manufacturing is now a basic requirement for staying competitive. Let me give you some example. One, our APSCC member, the UBCOM technology, they utilize AI-driven decision-making management system to detect production issue in real time and streamline their manpower requirement so that they resulting a 20% reduce of the failure rate to just 3%. Additionally, by implementing LG supply chain management, their delivery time has been reduced from 56 days to 23 days. And here, I would like to introduce you Taiwan's industrial policy on next generation communication. This July, our executive Ian has passed our new initiative on next generation communication. Together, there will be 3 ministries, that is NSTC, MOEA, and MOEA, to joint invest about US $2 billion to accelerate the development of next generation communication. The NSTC, they are responsible for the R&D for the academia, and the MOEA, we are in trust. We are focused on the industrial promotion, and MOEA is focused on the deployment of application services. So there will be 3 pillars. One is the key application services to meeting the local need and expanding global reach. And the number 2 pillar is we would like to establish a experimental networking so that we can accelerating R&D, validate, and also commercial deployment. And the last one is that we would like to hand in hand with all those international satellite company to establish an ecosystem in Taiwan. And here, I would like to show our sincerity that Taiwan, we would like to have to co-create a very global satellite ecosystem. So we, Taiwan government, we offer R&D grant to local Taiwan company for those who want to have international cooperation with their partner, so that we can cost down their cost and to boost the development. So there are already 30 companies that are funded by Taiwan government. And finally, I would like to say that Taiwan government, we commit ourselves to support the development of satellite industry. We are committed to try our best to on the stability and safety across Taiwan Strait. So don't worry about the wall. Well, don't worry. And if you would like to seek partner, please have some check this QR code, and we have a Taiwan LEO Satellite Industry Alliance. So you can check that website and looking for some partners. And if you are a Taiwanese company, you are looking for R&D subsidy, please check this. And again, Taiwan, we would like to be your trusted supply chain partner. So feel free to let us know if you have any inquiry. So thank you for your attention. Thank you.